How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here, and this video is my Finish It Up in February group build, hosted by Tim and Charlie, and this is it. She's done. Like I said, the reason why I kind of left this one alone is because the way the paint did on the hood, kind of looks like I had a hood scoop glued there, but I did not. I guess the paint ate into it or something, the paints I used, because it was actual automotive paint when I did this. I can't remember what paint it was, but it just had a bad reaction, I guess, so I just threw it in the box and never finished it. So this is it. As you can see here, the blue tinted windows, I just did that just because I wanted to. Not that, the car would have had them. The headlights I did too, because this kit I just look at it as like I just want to get it done. But I just figured, you know what, why not? I'll put the blue headlights, blue tinted windows in it. Just have fun with the kit. Something I'd have probably done when I was a kid if I'd had the blue tinted windows and all that. But let me take this off here and show you up close what I've gotten done. I've chrome foiled everything. Everything's got a black wash on it. You can see there, my camera focus. I don't know why I don't want to focus sometimes. There we go. Let's see the black wash in the wheels. Chrome foil. You can see the interior. Of course, I'll have pictures at the end of this so you can see the interior better. I carpeted it. I black washed the seats just to give it that worn look. Of course, I did the weathering on the bottom, and you can't see that right there. That don't exist, so don't look at that extra pipe there I tried to get rid of, but it wasn't going to work. I oiled up the engine. Let's see, matter of fact, let's see here. Can y'all see that? I oiled the engine up. I've got it wired, plumbed. I even got the coil, battery wired up. I got the fuel pump, fuel line going to the carburetor. It's got the water bottle. Black wash in the grill. Oh, my license plate I just put on there. Daggum. There we go. Just before, there we go. I was able to fix it. Colorado license plate. Oh, Gary Parker, you like that one. My son lives in Colorado. There we go. Colorado license plate. But Tim, Charlie, that's about all I can say to this one. I'm just glad to have this one out of the way. I'm glad to finish it. Like I said, it's not a show quality car. I just built it to finish it. It's sat in that box for years. I don't know how many years now. Whenever that model come out, is about how long that's sat in the box. And let me look on the date on this box, because here's the kit. It is right here. Y'all seen that, the Super Wagon there. Date on the box. Let's find it here. Let's see. Well, I'm not seeing. Where is that date? Where would it be? Guys, if somebody can tell me, because I'm sure not finding that date on that box. I know it's been several years back. Round 2 really started popping out the old style box art and stuff, so I don't know when that is, but it's not that old, but it's old. I mean, it's several years old. But yeah, there it is. Y'all stick around at this for the pictures at the end, but there it is. One more spin around, let y'all see that. Uh, Big Charlie, you'd like this. You love the wagons. There you go, buddy. One more spinner. There you go. All right. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And go check out Charlie Mack and Tim's channels. They're the one that hosted this, finish it up in February. Thank you.